Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a powerful session for you. We're diving into the broader market rebound and then zooming in on the quantum stocks, the ones that just made a serious comeback. If you're tracking growth, tech, or speculative momentum, this one's worth watching. So, let's start with the big picture. The S&P 500 finished up nearly 0.6% today, gaining more than it lost yesterday. That's strength. Plain and simple. We're still just under all-time highs, but with one more solid session, this market could break into new high ground. Now, we need to talk about distribution days. We've had 5 in the past 25 trading sessions. Legendary trader William O'Neill taught that when you hit 6 within 25 days, it often signals a market top. A distribution day means the index fell at least 0.2% on higher volume than the day before. That tells us institutions were selling into weakness. If we can survive tomorrow and all of next week without adding another one, the oldest day will roll off, dropping the count back down to 4. That's what we want to see. On the bullish side, falling treasury yields are helping stocks. The 10-year dipped below 4%. Oil prices eased. Inflation pressure cooled. That opens the door for higher valuations and keeps dip buyers active. Add solid breadth and decent earnings tone, and the bulls still have control. But the bear case hasn't gone anywhere. We've got sanctions, energy volatility, and a few big tech names missing expectations. Breadth can crack fast, and if we rack up a 6th distribution day, the rally's health gets questioned. So we're at a turning point. One good week from confirmation, one bad day from trouble. Now let's turn to the quantum names, where things really heated up. IONQ jumped more than 7% during regular trading, and nearly 3% after hours. That's a strong rebound. And more importantly, it came on higher volume than yesterday's sell-off. Buyers stepped back in hard, but remember, we're still far below the all-time high, and even under the lower boundary of the last correction. So while this looks powerful, it's not a confirmed reversal yet. We'll wait to see if follow-through develops in the next few sessions. D-Wave, ticker QBTS, exploded almost 14% today, and another 6% after hours. Volume surged well above yesterday's level, a clear sign that demand returned. But the move wasn't quite enough to reclaim all of yesterday's losses. That means momentum is improving, but confirmation still matters. We need to see it clear that prior high and hold it. Rigetti, ticker RGTI, rallied about 10% today, plus another 2.5% after hours. That move completely erased yesterday's decline, and the higher volume gives it real weight. That's constructive action, showing that institutions may have been quietly buying the dip. So across the board, IONQ, QBTS, and RGTI all posted strong rebounds, higher volume, and bullish after-hours momentum. But all three are still far below their peaks. This looks like a counter-trend bounce inside a larger downtrend, at least for now. The next few sessions will tell us whether it's just a spark or the start of something bigger. Let's bring it home. The overall market rebounded more than it dropped. The S&P 500 could push into new highs with just one more strong day. But we're standing right on the edge of a 6th distribution day, and that's the line we can't cross. On the quantum side, strength is real, but uncertain. Big volume, big moves, but not yet confirmed. If the market keeps firming, these stocks could catch a second wave. If not, they'll roll back with the tide. Thanks for watching. If you're following IONQ, RGTI, or QBTS, drop a comment with your targets or your outlook. Hit that like button if you found this helpful. Subscribe if you're new. And remember, don't panic. Stay tuned for updates.